In today's video I'm going to show you how to duplicate project or page in Canva. To duplicate project from design page, if you're already working on project you want to create duplicate, simply go to file menu in the top left corner and from dropdown menu click on make copy. This will create duplicate of your current project. New tab will open with duplicated project in the upper left corner and you will see name, copy of and your original project name. Click on this name to rename your project. Now you can continue working on your project in this tab, while original project remains unchanged in the original tab. To duplicating project from home screen, from Canva homepage, find project you want to duplicate. You can locate it in the recent design or under project tab. Then click on three dots in the right corner of project thumbnail and choose make copy from dropdown menu. Duplicate will appear as copy of your project name in your project list, and you can rename copy directly from the home page by clicking on name. To duplicating pages within the same project, inside your project, look at the bottom of editor where your pages are displayed. Click on the small arrow next to pages to expand or collapse page view. Find page you want to duplicate. Click on three dots and select duplicate page. Alternatively, you can also use shortcut Ctrl+D. Duplicated page will appear directly below the original, and you can make changes without affecting original.